Hi guys. Hello. It's time for decentralized confidential computing. TEE, trusted execution environment, some really complex technology. But you know what? I was thinking about not making my workshop. Now I will make a little bit, but I saw some workshop today and it was so technical and so fast. So I will change a little bit and we will start with a quiz, a game. And if we've got enough time, and I hope so, we will talk about our technology, because it's an amazing technology about confidential computing. But do you want to play? And you can win a special dedicated hoodie and 100K. No, I'm kidding. So you just need to scan the QR code. You just need to go on count.it and select a PIN code. If you want to play, you need to be fast and you need to have the right answer. So, waiting for player. Come on, guys, don't be scared. New player, Mattia, you need to play. I was supposed to make a technical meeting, but I will start with a quiz. I like to make it more interactive and fun. Our technology is really fun. It's confidential computing and easy to install in your decentralized application because it's an SDK, la la la. Okay, baby bit, Ludovico, Terre Limon, no way. Nice. Are you ready?
Yes.
I was not joking about the special hoodie. It's a really amazing hoodie, iExec with a design, and we will take the address and send it by post. Okay, let's go. I think we are ready. Ready? Three, two, and you have to be fast. What does DCC stands for? DCC. Oh, maybe you don't see the wall. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. Decentralized confidential computing. You maybe know confidential computing. It's a hardware-based technology where you can compute some data in a private way, in a confidential way. But decentralized computing add the blockchain layer on it. It's add the governance rule, monetization, and things like that. So DCC, decentralized confidential computing. Well done, guys. But wait, who? Oh, Lemon. Well done.
Oh, like the faster you... Yeah.
Yeah, faster and with the right answer. What is confidential computing? I basically just gave the answer. Two, 1, 0. And technology that secure data during processing in an isolated environment. And it's why at iExec, we are using Intel SGX chipset. Basically, it's a chipset hardware. And there is a memory, a part of the memory inside that's called an enclave. And everything that happens in this enclave, it's totally private. It means you can compute any data in a totally private way. And it's confidential computing. And next one, Lemon, Steve. Oh my God, are you cheating? ChatGPT is not fast enough. No, it's not fast enough. What does TEE stand for? Same, I gave the answer at the beginning. So you had to be focused. I think it's tiny elephant. Nice. Trusted execution environment. This Intel SGX chipset creates an enclave. It's a trusted execution environment where you can proceed to make some confidential computing. Basically, confidential computing is the magic that happened in the TEE. Still? Oh my God! Oh my God! Come on, Noe! Where is Noe? I believe in you. I can beat him. Oh, the key feature of trusted execution environment. It's an easy one. No, you can't, Limon. You can't. Nice. Security, integrity, and confidentiality. For sure, because security, it ensures that the code running in it has not been altered. Integrity, it was integrity. Confidentiality, basically, it protects any data from unauthorized access. I usually have my notes. And no, you are cheating. Well done, well done. And Mattia, oh. Which of the following best describe data in use? Tick, tack, tick, tack, tick. A little bit stressed. Data currently being processed in memory. You know what? Because usually, typical security measure protect data at rest. It means when the data is encrypted and stored in a server. Or it protects data in transit through multiple networks. But the main challenge is protect data in use, because for a software or an application, it needs to see the data to process it. And it's why it lets some breach for a malicious actor and take advantage of it. And it's where confidential computing comes in. Confidential computing, decentralized confidential computing protect data in use. And at iExec, we are protecting data at use. And okay, no surprise, it's to be boring. What is an enclave? Oh, easy one, come on. I talk so much about it. A secure area inside the CPU that isolates and code the code during processing. Okay? Limon? Come on. Noe? Next one. Come on, Noe. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's data protector and not data permission, but you can't know it because I will talk about it. Data protector, it's one of our main developer tools. With this tool, you can encrypt data, you can manage access by authorize people to use this data, and you can even monetize your data within the Web3 ecosystem. That's amazing. Oh my God! You're the best. The last one. Oh. Oh.
Random guess.
2017 and the podium is Broski. Where is Broski? Well done. Lima. Oh my God. Whoa! Woo! Congrats. You've done it. I was right. I believed in you. Amazing. Thanks. So let's go back in the boring slide. No, I'm kidding. It's an amazing slide. We are talking about iExec at ETHRome, and thanks again ETHRome and the team for the organization. It's amazing. We are providing an 8K bounty with data protector use and Web3 mail, and you don't want to code. There is a feedback bonus track. Like you are trying our tool, you are reading our documentation. If you find some things to change, you can apply, and there is a feedback template you can fill, and you can win. And you don't even need to code. That's amazing. Okay, iExec 2017, we passed through confidential, decentralized marketplace of computing power, then blockchain and confidential computing, and 1 year ago, we started working on our developer tools, and voila, I'm here today to talk about it. And it's a really long sentence, so I give you 1 minute to read it. But it defines the best our value proposition. We are providing a flexible solution for data protection, monetization, and management in the Web3 ecosystem. Our protocol, it's a mix between off-chain computing, it's a hardware-based approach, we talk about it, with different stakeholders like workers, schedulers, and things like that, and on-chain part with a smart contract called POCO, Proof of Contribution. It's a kind of band leaders that create synergy between the confidential computing and the immutability, transparency, and ownership of the blockchain. And on top of that, because it's a quite complex technology, we abstract the complexity, and it's why we built 3 developer tools: Data Protector, Web3 Mail, and Oracle Factory. And I'm going to talk about it. So we are going to already talk about it. We usually protect data at rest in transit, but thanks to confidential computing, we are protecting data in use. It's the main challenge, actually. So this famous chipset there, the part of the memory create an enclave, and thanks to TEE, you can compute safely your data. There is 2 key elements when we are talking about TEE: isolation, because the code running is totally isolated from any cloud admin, nobody can access to the data, basically. And attestation, remote attestation. You can get some information that your data has been computed in this black box. So our approach is a mix between confidential computing and blockchain. We capture the power. Yeah, it can be really complex, so we abstract everything, and basically, it's a SDK. You want to leverage confidential computing, decentralized confidential computing, you just need to run npm install. Okay, pnpm install, or yarn install. pnpm, okay. You can run pnpm install. And it's easy. So Data Protector, end-to-end encryption, management, monetization, and Web3 Mail. I really don't like mail because there is a lot of spam, but with Web3 Mail, you can send directly a mail to an ETHRome address without knowing or storing the email. So no more scam. And you can even monetize your mail. Like, I'm a genius Solidity developers, and you will pay 1 Ether to send me a mail. And I'm not a genius Solidity developer, but you can pay me. So exactly what I said, it's a SDK, seamless data integration. Like you can see it right now, because I will go in the code. You install the package, then you import it, then you just need to call a method, and I want to protect the data. So I will call protect data. And why it's supposed to work. Let's try, it's a demo effect. Okay, yeah, perfect. So, best way to give you my email. So feel free to contact me. And Martin, and I will protect my email. So, as you can see, it was a 0 transaction, no fees. We are on our sidechain called Belcour, and it's a gasless sidechain, so you won't pay anything. And you don't need to run after a faucet. It's always difficult in a hackathon to get some token when you want to use a blockchain. So it's free for us, and it's free during the building process. And as you can see there, I just protected the data. Your data has been protected, and there is the ownership of this data on the blockchain. But you can ask, wow, It's amazing, Martin, but how does it work? Good question. Good question. When I clicked on protect the data, I basically encrypt my mail, but it can be whatever you want. It can be text, video, anything else. It encrypts the data with a symmetric key. The encrypted data has been dropped on IPFS. It's a decentralized storage, but you can even use Arweave if you wanna. And the symmetric key has been dropped in what we call an SMS, secret management system. It's basically a database running in this enclave. You remember the enclave, it's the black box, confidential and private. So first, you encrypt the data. Second step, you are sending the data, the encrypted data on IPFS. Third, you are sending the symmetric key on our SMS. And then you are calling data product or smart contract that creates the ownership of the blockchain. It's an NFT. This NFT is linked to the wallet, your wallet. You own this data. Amazing, you've got a protected data. But, great, I've got a protected data, but on its own, it's totally useless. You need to authorize someone to use this data. Okay, great, I will call the ground access method. Let's go to the ground access method. Everything I'm showing right now is available on our Discord. It's a link tree, there is everything, code sandbox, code snippets, everything you need. And same story, you can call their grant access. It means you will authorize someone to use this data. First parameter, the protected data address on the blockchain, normal. Then the authorized user, okay? The authorized user, it's me. Well, it's me for the example, so let's make it right now. I will authorize myself for this example, but I could authorize Mattia to use my data. So let's sign some challenge, oh yeah, and your data has been great. Wow, it's so fast. It's crazy. So right now, I authorize myself to use this data, but I don't know if you noticed, I will zoom. There is a mysterious parameter called authorized DAP. Good timing. The authorized DAP parameter. What is it? You need to authorize an iExec application to use this data. Because if I authorize Mattia to use my product data, he will need a tool to use this data. And this tool is the iExec application. And same story, an iExec application, it's basically an application that's running in this enclave. You can think about everything, like even running AI model in this TEE, in this enclave. You could be able to compute some data in total confidential way. So if I'm coming back there on the code, I authorized an application called Web3 Mail. Web3 Mail, wow, amazing. What is it? The answer is there. Web3 Mail, it's an application, an iExec application running in this enclave, able to send some email. But able to send some email to an ETHRome address. So I will be able to send it without knowing the email. Let's send a message. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. There is actually so much stuff to sign, but we are working on it. So let me open my Gmail account, and we are waiting for the mail, and it should arrive soon. All right. And demo effect, not demo effect, okay, I think we will wait a little bit. It should arrive soon. But I worked on a beautiful design during 4 days to summarize this concept. Yeah, how it's beautiful. Everything can see the whole picture? Everybody? So just to sum up, we are working with Bounty protocol. So user arrive on Bounty protocol. It's a platform. They will protect their email with data protector. Then they will authorize Web3 mail to use it, and they will authorize Bounty to use this protecting email. At the end, it means that Bounty will be able to send email to their user without knowing their email. So many data, many iExec application, infinite possibilities. Oh, and what happened? Whoa, I just received an email I sent to an ETHRome address. And for sure, you can customize the object and the message content. So let's talk a little bit more about data protocol. Yeah, a question?
I have a question about iExec apps. So iExec apps, can anyone create one that runs in your TE, or does it have to be created by you guys?
Really good question, and you can definitely create one. It's not in the track, but definitely if you build one, you will be able to submit a track, because it's a little bit more work, but we prepared everything for this hackathon to simplify the process to build an application. So if you are thinking about a Web3 Telegram, a Web3 Discord, or whatever you want, come to see us at the booth, and we will help you with, we just developed a CLI to facilitate the whole process. So basically you will be able during this hackathon to have an iExec application, an application running in the enclave. So about the monetization mechanism, I was talking about Umail. The first monetization mechanism is I can set up a price, and you will need to pay this price to send me an email. But we create an add-on called data protector sharing. And it's in this add-on, you can for sure create a protected data, but you will be able to create what we call a collection. It's a bag where you can put all your protected data. And then, let me scroll a little bit, you will be able to set a price for renting. It means you will be able to direct sell your data, rent, create some renting price, or even subscription. You are a book author and you want to monetize chapter by chapter, you can put and encrypt all your chapter book and put it in a collection, and then I will subscribe to your creation and be able to read it, but in a confidential way. And so yeah, basically it's right. Your question, the answer is there. You've got the data protection core. For instance, I encrypt my mail and I set up a price for using this mail, and I authorized you to use this email. So I have a protected data and I authorize you to use this email. If you want to use it, you need to pay. But the data protector sharing approach, it's I set up a price of my collection and I don't need to authorize you. You can come and just, okay, I will subscribe, and you will be able then to access the whole library and things. You can think about a lot of monetization stuff like code snippets, AI model, whatever. We are focusing on growing our community. So we are working with Builder. We are continuously improving our tools, and it's why we created this feedback track, because honestly, we are working on it since 1 year. They are not perfect, far from that. But it's why we need builders to make it better and better and better. It's why we are providing some grant bounties. So if you've got an amazing idea aside this hackathon and you want to talk with us, like, oh guys, data protector is amazing. Can you give me some money? Yeah, some money. We will study the project first, for sure. Okay, wow, such a beautiful team. You've got Cedric there, software engineer full stack, yay! No, you don't need to applause for it. Mathis, solution engineer, Avinash Patar, ecosystem growth and Le Clever, me as a developer relation. We are hacker too, so we will stay the full night because we want to hack on different protocols too. So we will be here if you need any question, and we won't leave at 6 o'clock to go to the party with other sponsors because we are builder. Oh no, I was thinking about doing the quiz at the end, but it was better at the beginning. Some question? I've got my technical guy, so you can ask some really difficult question.
Going back to your iExec apps, is there like a list of ones that are available, or could you tell me like which ones you already have that have like just available for us to use already?
Okay, just to be sure I get your question, if there is actually some available application for the hackathon? No.
You have the Web3 email?
Yeah, we've got Web3 email, it's a way to send email. Yeah. We've got content delivery, it's the monetization iExec application where you can monetize your app. We can deploy the same, I think we already got it, like you just want to transfer, to send some data in a private way without the price. We can make a content delivery without the price. It's really easy. So you will be able to send some really confidential document like health or legal and things like that in a minute and for free. Any question? Again?
If I'm not wrong, like in your email, you see the email coming from like iExec email@gmail.com, something like that, right? So is it always the case, or you can make it so that like you see who sent to the email? Otherwise, how do you know who sent the email?
For the moment, it's only Web3 mail. You won't be able to see who sent the email, but you can put it in the content. And the guy who sent the email won't be able to see your email.
One thing to add, you can specify the sender when you call the function send email. There's a parameter called sender. You can specify the sender there, and you can put the name. It's going to be by someone.
Okay, so you see the email, but you see the name.
Yeah, because it's sent by someone that is specifying the email. And the email could be HTML or text as you want.
All right, cool. Amazing. And Noé, you will need to give me your size, close size, and we will send these beautiful hoodies. I have no picture, but I assure you it's beautiful. It's pink, it's glow, it's star everywhere, and unicorn, and Chuck Norris, and wow. Amazing, amazing. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your time. And I think it's maybe dinner time. Probably. So let's go and eat some amazing Italian food, I think. Great.